Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and for all of you who don't know me yet, I'm Ranim, and you can expect hair and beauty and fashion videos on this channel. Today I'm back with another hair tutorial for you because I finally found the product that works best for my hair. Yes, yeah, if you have not reached that point yet, keep fighting. If you reached that point yet, congrats girl, because it's been a struggle. It's been a while. I was using and trying so many products, and some of them worked well, some of them worked terribly for me, and some of them worked mediocre, but this one really so far works as the best styling product for me because I have very thin and long hair, and most of the time I'm lacking volume at the roots and also some sort of structure here in the middle part of my hair. So most of the time I either achieved a very nicely defined curl but a flat top, or let's say nothing at all. But with this product I finally managed to achieve both volume and definition, and even if it's not super defined, I'd rather have more volume than definition, so I'm that type of girly girl. Anyway, you wondering what kind of product I'm talking about? I am talking about the Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel, and I have heard about this product a lot actually, so a lot of girls use it on YouTube, but for some reason I've never decided to actually go with this product until recently. I realized I need some sort of lighter type of gel for my hair, so I ordered this product and I used it, and I am super happy that I found it and that it really achieves the definition and especially the volume that I like. And yeah, if you're interested on how I apply this product, because I'll be also using a new technique different than in my other video, then keep watching. Hey guys, so I just got out of the shower and I washed my hair. It is still soaking wet. I put it up in a high bun to retain the water because the whole styling will take care on wet hair. So I'm gonna open my hair now, and the first step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush it through and detangle it with my tangle teaser. So this step is really just for the detangling, so do not worry about if you brush in the right direction, because after we have detangled our ends, we will flip our head over, and from that point on we will do everything upside down. So try to avoid that your hair hangs onto your face by brushing away from your face the roots. We do this because we don't want our hair to fall flat onto your face. Alright, so I'm done with the detangling, and now I'm gonna apply the product by raking through my hair. As already announced, I'm only gonna be using one product, which is the Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel, and right now I'm gonna use a generous amount of it because the product is very light. So even with my thin hair, I require quite a good amount of product, more than with a strong gel. So I'm going to show you. This is the first amount that I'm going to be using for all of my hair, and later on I'm going to apply a second layer. Alright, now, sorry, I have to always talk through my hair, it's a bit weird. Now I'm gonna distribute the product and define my curls with my Denman brush. Alright, so now we have distributed the product evenly, and now we're gonna scrunch. sure to also scrunch at the top of your head. And then I'm going to tilt my head sideways and keep scrunching. Now I'm going to take my microfiber turban, or you can also take a microfiber towel or a jersey shirt, and I'm going to scrunch my hair further with the towel. Again, look how it helps the curls forming the clumps. Alright, and now as a last step before I'm going to plait my hair, I'm going to add just a little bit more of the gel. Just really a tiny bit, like this. And I'm going to scrunch it in. You can also use a little bit more, so the right amount that your hair needs. You will have to find that for yourself. It's different for everybody. Alright, now I'm gonna plait my hair for like 10 minutes into my turban, and in the meantime I'm gonna do my makeup. So the reason why I'm plaiting my hair in the turban is to help the hair to absorb the product better, which happens through the warmth that is created within the turban. And other than that, the turban also helps the hair to dry, so it will also take away the excess water before we then continue with the diffusing. Alright my friends, my makeup is done, and now I'm going to open up the turban and get the hair out. Alright, now I can swing it backwards for the first time. Alright, so now you can either decide to air dry your hair or diffuse your hair. So if you diffuse your hair, your curl definition and your volume will be stronger and better. That's what I'm going to do now, because I want to show you the effect immediately, and also want to show you how you can get the best out of your hair. Alright, so I'm going to be diffusing on low heat and medium speed the whole time. So we stop diffusing and drying our hair once it's like 90–95% dry. The rest we will air dry. And this is the result of my hair after I diffused it. It's, like I said, not completely dry yet, so there will be even more volume, but already in this stage I must say I'm very happy with how it turned out. It's super voluminous. I feel like this is the maximum I can get out of my hair anyway, and it is quite defined, so it's not super defined. I feel like it's more wavy than usual, but I really prefer to have the balance like this. So if it's too defined on one hand and have no volume on the other hand, I really don't like it. I would get cute coils down here, but on the other side everything up here will be flat. And now I even have like some nice waves up here that I usually with my other technique do not get. So like I said, check out my other curling hair routine video if you want to know how I style my hair for more definition. But right now I am definitely preferring this way of styling. Alright guys, this is the final result. My hair is, I would say, completely dry now. And I must say I am very happy how it turned out to be. I feel like some parts could have enjoyed a little bit more product, like down here for example, it is a little bit frizzy. but in general I'm very happy that I found this product, that it works so well for my thin and curly hair. I will show you the back as well. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of me, check out my other videos and let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you want to see more of me in the future, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And until then, see you next time. Mwah.